Andrew Bowman here with Bowman's Pro Turf, and before we get this video going, I'd like to thank our friends over at TurfMend for supplying the product that we're going to be featuring today. We asked a question on our Facebook page of what information or products would you like to see us try out, and the folks over at TurfMend actually reached out to us. They got some product for us to test, and this is a all-in-one kind of combo grass seed mulch type product to help with bare spots. So since we're in central Indiana in the Midwest here, mostly cool season, turf type tall fescue grows well for us. They sent us the combination tall fescue blend. It has a couple different types of grass seed, and it's all coated yellow with the yellow jacket special coating. Really cool technology that they've brought to the TurfMend product from a seed manufacturer that we know works really well and that we trust already. So we're really excited about this product. We're really excited about testing this product out. And actually here on our property, just over in this direction here where the rake and the bag are, I have kind of a thin area next to my water spigot. I seeded all of this earlier this year with the Barenbrug RTF. I say earlier this year, about 3 weeks ago now, 3-4 weeks ago now. All of it came in fairly nice, but there's a couple thin bare areas right here. So this is going to be a great opportunity for us to try this product out, get it on the ground and test it and see how it really goes. So what we're going to do, we'll put this out. I'll show you the process of how I go about putting this down on the soil there. We'll get it wet and then we'll update every couple days. So when you see this video, it's going to be the complete video from start to finish to see how well this product does. So as of right now, by me filming this, I have no idea how well this product works, but I know because the type of a grass seed it is going to come in fairly nicely. So I'm excited to see this product in action over the next couple of days and then over the next week as it germinates and fills in, and we're excited to share the results with everyone. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out with us. There's going to be links throughout this video. It's going to be kind of a longer video as we put this process together. But we hope you enjoy. Reach out to TurfMend, ask them any questions. We'll link them in the description below. And I hope you really enjoy this video. Let's get to work. So I got it open here, and I hope we can get a good view of that. It's peat moss and some sand, and then you can see the yellow jacket, the coated seed here. Pretty easy to spread. It'll seem like flows pretty freely. So let's go ahead and get this down. So first, I thought, just throw it in a hand spreader and I could spread it out that way. Doesn't seem like that might be the best option for it. The packaging doesn't say anything about a spreader. It shows it actually spreading out with a hand, so I should probably have just stuck to my instructions here. So I'm going to spread it out by hand now and get this spread out. In theory, I thought the spreader would work better, but because it's got the peat moss and the sand in there, that's kind of separating whenever you put it through the spreader. The heavier material goes through first, and that's not what we want. We want it to all go out together. So I'm just going to toss this out by hand and spread it that way. So I've spread the TurfMend all over the bare spot here, and we'll see how it does. Pretty excited about it. This product seems like it'd be great for if our technicians are out and maybe they slide one of their wheels a little bit and it kind of scuffs up the lawn a little bit. This would be a quick fix for our technicians to kind of fill in a patch there, maybe if they have an accident on the lawn, or if we're just out and about and we notice that mower tracks oftentimes rut up lawns in places, we can throw this down in areas and kind of help the customer out a little bit. So this, again, like I said, it's the TurfMend combination tall fescue blend here with some peat moss and sand with the yellow jacket seed coating. So we're really excited to see the progress of this. I'm going to go ahead and get it watered in like it says here on the packaging, and we're going to keep it watered over the next couple of days until we start to see some germination, and we'll be back with kind of an update here in the next few days. And it's been about 5 days or so since I planted the TurfMend product that was sent over to us, and we're seeing some great germination already. I was going to drag this video out and give an update, a week later, 10 days later, 12 days later, but we are getting into the beginning part of October here, so I want to get this video out while there's still time for you to purchase this and get this in your rotation for your plan. It seems to be a really good product. When you put it out, like I showed earlier in the video, it spreads very easily. You just spread it out by hand, you keep it watered, and you keep that soil moist there, and you're going to start to see germination. After about 3 days I saw germination. Took a really cool picture of it, so I'll have that posted there. But you can definitely see the seed germinating and the seed working. Right now in central Indiana, it's been 90 degrees the last 3 days, the last 2 days of September, and now into October. It's October 2nd and it's 91 degrees today. We're hitting record high temperatures, and then now tomorrow it's going to be a high of 70. So the temperature and weather is getting ready to really change drastically, and I know that as it cools down, that's going to help this seed germinate tremendously. Being so hot the last couple of days has probably done a number on how fast this seed is germinating, because we are in a cool season climate. They did send us the Turf Type Tall Fescue blend, which is a cool season grass. So I know that as the temperatures cool down over the next couple of days, we're going to see this fill in quite nicely. So I'm confident with using this product. And then we'll post a picture on our Instagram after it's all filled in. But you can see this whole area here has really started to fill in nicely, and I put some more of the TurfMend down here as well, and that's filled in tremendously from when I did that about a week ago. So this is a really good product to have on hand. Pretty good tool to have in your toolbox as a lawn care professional. Even if you're just a homeowner and you notice some bare spots in your lawn, I definitely would recommend looking into purchasing this product and having it available for you. So if you have any questions, shoot us an email, and then I'll have their information linked in this video as well. Feel free to reach out to them. Really great company to work with. It's all sourced in the United States. It's a USA owned company, so get in touch with them and you'll be quite impressed with the results that you see. So that's all for now in this video. Take care. Thanks.